We're going to calculate the average hourly urine output. This becomes very important when you want to make sure that a patient's kidneys are functioning correctly. Our first equation is that we have 740 milliliters in 8 hours. What we want to do is take the total amount of urine and divide it by the total amount of hours, and that gives you an average of how much urine the patient has put out per hour. When you take 740 and you divide it by 8, your answer, and you do need to put your labels actually, I'm sorry, 740 milliliters in 8 hours. You divide 740 milliliters by 8 hours, and your answer is 92.5. And you want to make sure you put the correct label, and that is milliliters per hour. Our next equation tells us that the patient put out 280 milliliters of urine in 4 hours. So when you take 280 milliliters and you divide that by 4 hours, your answer is 70 milliliters per hour. And our last one is we have 610 milliliters in 24 hours. When you take the 610 milliliters and you divide by 24 hours, your answer is 25.416, a lot of sixes. So we would write 25.4 milliliters per hour. Now, the second part of this is what is the hourly urine output for each example, which we gave, and which is insufficient to maintain proper renal function. Well, our last answer here, the 25.4 milliliters per hour, is insufficient. You need to have at least minimum 30 milliliters per hour. Otherwise, we need to be concerned with how the kidneys are working.